Attention, attention, your attention please. There was an earthquake in the sea. A tsunami is expected to hit the island of Niue within 2 hours. A 7-magnitude earthquake was reported 250 miles away from the island of Niue. All residents living along the coast should gather any necessary belongings and move to higher grounds via the designated safe route. Those who do not evacuate are at an extreme risk. You risk injury, property loss, and potential death. If a tsunami causes great damage to a town, you will not be able to leave or enter. Tune your radio to 1040 AM for updates of this tsunami. We repeat, a tsunami is expected to hit within 2 hours. Evacuate soon.